Hello world, how are you? Once again back to my channel and welcome back to my another content. In this content I'm gonna be sharing with you a very vital topic. The topic name is learn English idioms in 5 minutes. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel, and that's how I'll be able to see my content. Even while I'll publish my BCA content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. So this is time for let's begin like that. One shoe speak English like a native, but you can't find a solution. In this video I will showing with you exactly this train daily English idiom will make your conversation natural, fluent and fun. Learn the meeting example and how to use them in real life. So please watch my full video. Don't skip a, any kind of second, because every second is vital and crucial for learning speaking English. So please watch my full video. Like, do you want to sound a native speaker instantly? I will teach you 10 idioms you can use every single day. That time you will be able to speak in English like native. Like, number one is break the ice. Break the ice means to start a something new or start a conversation easily. Break the ice. Start a conversation easily. Like, I told a funny story to break the ice at the party. I told a funny story to break the ice at the party. Number two is hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Say exactly the right thing. Say exactly the right thing. Like, your suggestion about social media growth really hits the nail on the head. Your suggestion about social media growth really hits the nail on the head. Number three is if a piece of cake. A piece of cake, something very easy. Like, don't worry about this quiz. It's a piece of cake. Don't worry about this quiz. It's a piece of cake. Number four is under the weather. Under the weather, its meanings feeling sick. Under the weather, feeling sick. Like, example, like, I'm a bit under the weather today, so I'm staying home. I'm a bit under the weather today, so I'm staying home. Number five is cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. It's like very expensive. Cost and arm and a leg. It's mean very expensive. Example, like, that designer bag cost an arm and a leg. Number six is white and bullet. White and bullet. Like, do something difficult. Do something difficult you have been avoiding. Do something difficult you have been avoiding. Example, like, I hate studying math, but I will bite the bullet and start now. I hate studying math, but I will bite the bullet and start now. Number seven is let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Like, meaning reveal a secret accidentally. Reveal a secret accidentally. Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning reveal a secret accidentally. Example, oops, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise gift. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. It's like happens very rarely. Once in a blue moon happens very rarely. Once in a blue moon, it's mean happens very rarely. And bread and butter. Number 8 is bread and butter. It's mean bread and butter. It's mean he is involved. He is involved about this matter bread and butter. And number 9 is running in a question. Running in a question, it's mean in a question with this matter, like primary examination will held but in a burning in a question about this exam. And number 10 is, so thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content because time is too short. I will connect with you, see you soon with another content. This is time for let's bye.